Hey, what's going on, you guys? Charlie here with MAPerformance, and if you saw our last video, then you already know that we released our Mark V Supra catback exhaust. So it should be no surprise to you that in today's video, we're gonna be back on the Mark V Supra, but today we're talking about our Mark V Supra Downpipe. So we're gonna go ahead and get it installed, then we'll give you guys some sound clips to hear how it is. Anyways, let's just get started. All right, you guys, so while we're getting that install going, I brought Dalen in here, and he's gonna be telling us a little bit more about what makes our Mark V Supra Downpipe so special.
Start off, the actual factory one is really nice. So that was a kind of a difficult starting point. We wanted to make sure we had something that was gonna both improve over that, support more power, and also fit the form and function we always come to know and want out of our products. So as always, the number one goal, easy install. So this downpipe is going to fit the factory connection on the outlet, factory connection on the inlet, factory clamp, factory hardware. It's an incredibly simple install, and I think our tech was actually saying one of the easiest downpipes we've ever built to install.
Yeah.
Next step is going to be 304 stainless. We always use the highest quality material we can because it's going to last the life of your car. So we have a lifetime warranty on our product. Same as always, it's built right here in the USA in our Cottage Grove, Minnesota facility, hand TIG welded for the most high quality finish. It's going to be much stronger, it's going to last forever. The point of downpipe is to reduce the back pressure right outside of the turbo. We went with the largest outlet we could of a 4.5, and it goes right into a high quality 800 horsepower capable EPA certified catalytic converter. This catalytic converter is made by Jesse. It's one of, if not the best aftermarket converters on the market right now. This is going to handle pretty much any power you can throw at it. It's going to match up and be what you need for your car for most aftermarket applications. As we move down, we kept it a 4-inch through here to the 4-inch flex section. Once again, just wanted to keep it large as possible down to the outlet, so that's going to allow the most power. From there, like I said before, down to the factory connection. So we feel that this is going to be a product that fits most customers out there. It's going to grow with you. It's going to make the power you want on a factory turbo. Some of the upgraded bolt-on factory body turbochargers are going to work very well with this. Yeah, it's going to fit everyone's needs that we feel we can kind of touch right now.
And it bolts up really nicely to our catback exhaust too, so shameless plug. We're back in the Supra. We just put the downpipe back on. Normal mode right now. I believe I've learned that that's actually called comfort mode. It's got our downpipe and our exhaust, so driving with the downpipe initially, as it's in normal mode, it's not unbearable by any means. So I would be totally comfortable driving this thing as a daily, even with the downpipe. Now we're still in normal mode. Even downshifting, super manageable from inside the car for sure. Again, driving around in the standard mode, it's super manageable. It sounds good. It has a little bit of a lower tone, and when you get it up into like a higher RPM ranges, you can hear it open up a bit. So that's nice that even driving around in normal mode, you do get some good sounds. Next, we're going to turn around, head back the same way we came, but we're going to do it this time in sport mode. From what I've heard so far, when it's in sport mode, it is very much more aggressive sounding. So you guys will hopefully be able to pick that up in car here. So it should be a lot louder. Oh my God. Ooh. This thing sounds absolutely insane in sport mode. This thing sounds like an absolute monster. It wakes this thing up. So in comparison to driving this thing around with our exhaust and the stock downpipe, it is 100% different to drive this thing around with our downpipe on it as well. With the full exhaust, downpipe and everything, this sounds, absolutely gnarly. Oh my God. This sounds so good. Oh, all the pops, all the bangs. Oh, man. This thing sounds absolutely incredible the way it is. Power-wise, this thing is on our Stage 1 MAPerformance off-the-shelf tune. It is safe to run with the downpipe or without the downpipe. If you do buy the downpipe, you don't necessarily need to have a tune. With our Stage 1 tune, it's not available yet. It's currently still in beta. Check the link in the description. At the time you're watching this video, you may be able to get that tune. However, if it's not in the description, that just means it's coming soon. So our tune is currently in beta, and with the current setup, this thing's making right around 420 horsepower and about 450 torque. The numbers are just shy of that, but I 10 out of 10 recommend the exhaust and the full downpipe. It definitely wakes this thing up. It is 100% worth it. Honestly, it's exactly what the Supra needs. So I'm super happy with this. Hopefully you guys are as well. We're gonna bring this thing back inside and we'll get with you then. All right, you guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you are interested in getting a Mark V Supra downpipe for your car, go ahead and check out the link in the description. We put that down there for you guys. If you have any questions about our downpipe or have any feedback for us on how it sounds, let us know in the comments down below. We're always curious to hear back from you guys. As always, make sure that you stay tuned on our Instagram and social media channels for any further product release and updates. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.